A cold, foggy and frosty start to the day in the south, but turning wetter and windier from the north. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday.
Can we just address the fact that there is an asteroid which appears to be making its way towards Earth?
Yes.
And I know people, yes, we always have a story about an asteroid.
This one is really close. So it's tiny, it's 5 metres across, but it is it's 3% of the distance between us and the moon. It's actually a quarter of the distance between us and satellites. So this is a really, really close one. But they actually only spotted it a few days ago because when it comes from the sun, it's really hard to see it. We're not expecting it to hit Earth. This is an extremely close one. It's called a near Earth.
For today.
Do you know, we actually get to see some rain for some areas, which is welcome news for some. A frosty start, here's the details. Now, what you'll want if you want to see the asteroid, or even there's a comet over the coming nights, are clear skies, and there will be some of those later on this week. But for today, it's yet again a tale of two halves. The south is clear, cold, frosty, with sunshine later, and then we have a band of rain moving in from the north. So mixed fortunes, reverse of what you would expect for this morning, because we start at 10 degrees with cloudy skies and rain for Scotland and North. Good morning to you. The weather's been repeating itself over the last few days. High pressure in the south, cold and foggy, cloudier and milder in the north. Some subtle changes through the next few days. Weather front slips southwards, changing our wind direction, meaning temperatures set to change across the country. So here's the details. Here's how things look for today, though. Still the sunshine in the south, but a band of rain moves from north to south, and it brings with it away a lot of that fog. So here's how things pan out as we head through the next 7 days. And the big thing across the north is it's been so mild lately. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, temperature-wise, yes, it's average or above, but not the dizzy heights into the high teens we've seen over the last few days. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. How likely we are to see wet weather? Well, actually, it is staying largely dry. We have this band of rain today, it clears away, and then actually the outlook's largely fine and dry with some decent spells of sunshine, but some frosty nights to come. Looking at our fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days, well, again, temperature-wise, it's been above average, sitting around about as we head through the next few days, so no great shakes, but with clear skies, still the risk of some frost as we head through the coming nights, and percentage chance of rainfall. Well, we have this band of rain slipping its way south later on today, but then the outlook is largely fine and dry with some decent spells of sunshine. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. The weather has been pretty much the same all week. Cold, frosty and foggy in the south, but cloudier and milder in the north. And there's a band of rain across the north today. It slips its way across the country and it will clear away those foggy conditions. And actually temperatures for many then return to around about average. And then the outlook, thanks to a big area of high pressure keeping weather fronts at bay, is looking largely dry. But for today, yes, we will have some sunshine yet again, and then our temperatures closer to where they should be for the time of year. This morning, a huge contrast with clear or cloudy, though. -4 degrees in the south, thanks to clear skies, +10 degrees in the north, thanks to cloudy ones. But also fog through southern areas, slow to clear, but it will as we head through the day. And then a change coming. This weather front, a cold front, and it means behind it, colder air moves in. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland, the return of some sunshine, a few scattered showers, but temperatures drop through the day as colder air moves in. In the south, temperatures climb a little, 9 or 10 degrees are high, but cloudy, damp and drizzly, with rain moving south. Well, the wind is blowing from the north, and actually the north brings colder weather, and actually change of fortunes for many of us. The south will get warmer, while the north will get colder. Why? Here's the details. The weather front shows you why. We have a cold front dividing the country. To the south of it, we've had the bitterly cold air with the frost and the fog. To the north, it's been... Good morning to you. Subtle changes in our weather as we head through the next few days. It's still cold and foggy in the south, but we see the return of some sunshine in the north once rain clears. So first thing, Scotland, yet again, cloudy, mild, 10 degrees to start, but it fell as low as -4 further south thanks to clear, starry skies, which also cause fog to form. Now, through the day, we see the rain clearing from Scotland and Northern Ireland, sunshine returns, but in its wake also colder weather, so tumbling temperatures with showers here, then cloud and rain move southwards, but turning milder as we head through the day.